welcome to FSD Fest. I want you guys all to celebrate the students of the Fullerton School District. They deserve it.
This is our student festival. We celebrate our kids. We celebrate choice, voice, agency, and we have probably 700 or 800 kids that come out every year to this event.
To get this many parents and this many children out at 8:30 in the morning on a Saturday is amazing.
I found it pretty nerve-wracking when I first walked into the room because of how big it was and how many people there were.
After a few games, I got pretty confident.
You get to see all different kinds of events, for example, Esports and League of Literacy.
It's really fun, and you have to work with each other. You get to make a lot of new friends.
Our whole innovation team prepares hands-on games, activities, opportunities for kids to shine.
As a district event, it really brings students together where it helps them find people that are like-minded, that enjoy the same things that they like.
I feel like people really need this opportunity to get out there. The applause felt really good.
To also see everyone's talents and passions, it's very interesting for the parents also.
Well, I think it's a great opportunity for everyone to come together and kind of maybe size up the other competition a little bit and see where they stand and what skills they need to work on.
Yeah.
You are missing a lot if you don't come to FSD Fest. It's a place to learn and share with the world what you can do.
I learned that there are a lot of different skills that you have to be able to apply in order to do good in any sorts of competitions.
You know, in the end, you just always got to try your hardest, and teamwork makes the dream work, you know?
This event would not be possible without the Fullerton Education Foundation.
No one else does this like FSD. When we come together around our kids, we all benefit.
Share your talent, have fun. This is a great place to do so.